Welcome to our Fun Friday STEAM edition. Today we'll be learning about hydraulics. Hydraulics is a part of physics. It's a science involving fluids in motion. In a hydraulic system, liquids such as water are used to produce motion. Today, using your kit, we'll be making a simple hydraulic lift. First, take the syringes and insert the tubing on one side. Now, stick the other end of the tubing into a cup of water and pull back the plunger, filling up your syringe. As you can see, there is some air inside the syringe, so you're going to want to squirt it out. And then we're going to keep doing this until we get the syringe full with no air. This may take a time or two to get it the way you want it, because the air will try to come back up through the tube. It helps if you hold the tubing down into the cup while you're pulling back on the plunger. As you can see, there's still a little bit of water. Sometimes you might want to shake your little tube, shake the syringe a little to get the air moving up through the tubing. Okay, when you finally get it free of air, then you're going to take the other end of your tube and you're going to carefully attach the other syringe to it. And this is a little tricky because you don't want to lose any of the water that's in your tube. So you're going to try to hold that up so the water won't come out, and just attach the tube to the other syringe. The tubing is a little tight, so you might have to twist it just a little bit, but make sure that it is securely attached so that you'll have no leaks. Now you have both ends attached. Now you're going to, while you're holding one syringe, you're going to push the plunger on the full syringe, the syringe that's full of water. You're going to push down on that, and you can watch the plunger of the other syringe start moving. This is called Pascal's Law. It states that if there's an increase in pressure at any point in a confined liquid, there's an equal increase at every other point in the container. So as you can see, when we push down on one, the other one is getting the reaction and making the motion. Now we're going to work on your kit. You have some popsicle sticks, some brass brads, and we're going to put them together like this. There are holes in your sticks, and you're going to take the brads and insert them into the holes. I'm showing some pictures here of the finished product. But I'm going to walk you through how to put everything together. So you see the holes. There's some holes in the center, and then there are holes on the ends. First, you want to take a brad and put it through the holes in the center, like so. And just fold those ends down. You're going to do that with all of your sticks until you have 6 crosses. Then you're going to take and attach the holes on the ends together. You're going to do 3 of the crosses and attach them end to end using the brads until you have 2 identical legs consisting of 6 popsicle sticks and the brads. And as you can see, once you get it together, that this makes sort of like a scissor motion. See how it goes up and down when you move them? This is going to help with the mechanical part of our lift. So when you've gotten both sides completed like this, you have some skewers in your kit, and you're just going to insert them into the holes on the ends there. one on each end. And then you're going to attach these two pieces together. Just insert it through there. If you want to put a little glue, you can. I did not do that because I'm just demonstrating to you how to do this. But you can put glue if you want it to be secure. Okay, and then you're going to do the same thing at the top. Like so. Now we have our lift mechanism made. Now we're going to attach the hydraulics to the lift mechanism, okay? I'm showing you here sort of how this works. If you push on one side, you see how it raises up and down? Oh, I'm gonna fix the camera where you can see it here. Yes, if you push on one end of this mechanism, you can see how it raises up, okay? Up and down. All right, there's a little piece of cardboard in your kit, and you can attach that to the top if you want to, and then you can put stuff on top of your lift to raise up and down. But what you want to do is you want to tape one end of your mechanism to the surface that you're using, a table or counter. Tape one end of it down, and then you're going to tape the plunger of one of the syringes, the one that doesn't have any water in it, and you're going to tape that to the other side. I'm attaching a picture showing you how to attach the plunger to the stick, and then it should work. When you push the plunger, your lift should go up, and when you pull back on the plunger, your lift should go down. If it doesn't work the first time, just make sure that you've securely attached the plunger to the stick. It can be a little tricky to tape it on there just right. And make sure that you have the other end secured to the table with some really strong tape. I used some duct tape. You want to make sure that it's securely attached. Play around with it, and then once you get it working, see what you can lift. See if you can place objects on the lift and raise it up and down. I hope you have fun with this, and thank you so much for joining us for our Fun Friday STEAM edition. And thank you for participating in the summer reading program.